chiquit, está chiquit. ¿Es otro compañero de ustedes? ¿Es otro compañero de ustedes?
Yeah, this one's definitely less calm than the other horses. Alright, going out, gonna get the cattle.
On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember.
¿Que van a llevar una vacuna?
¿Eh?
¿Van a llevar vacuna?
No, ahora le sacan sangre.
After 2 days in the desert sun, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days in the desert sun, I was looking at a riverbed, and the story it told of a river that flowed made me sad to think it was dead. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain.
Alright, so we're currently herding the cows on this other field just to check if there's any injured ones and put some betadine or some, they call it mata bichera. So now we're going out and we're going to be seeing any of the sheep are injured, and if they're injured we're going to be putting an antiseptic.
There was sand and hills and rain. The ocean is a desert with its life underground and the perfect disguise above. Under the cities lies a heart made of brown, but the humans will give no love. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember.
El que mejor hizo el trabajo fue este acá, Che, aquel agarró el abuelo viejo. Muy bien, muchachos. Muy bien.
Aquí no. Está bien. Vamos, vamos. Chao. Chau. Chau. Vamos, vamos. Chau. 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 Vamos. 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 Alright, so that just about rounds up all of the cow herding. I think it's well-deserved time for a mate and a snack and water and a shower and a nap, and the horse also deserves a nice good old rest. Alright, last day on the riding, and then we head to Argentina. Alright, so now we're going to the end of the circle, the end of the farm, to gather the last wild horses to give them the last vaccines. It's like a 30-minute ride out.
Una vez me quedé ahí dormido en la playa y así yo soñé que del cielo bajaba un encambre de estrellas y la luna plateada y las olas del mar con su luz salpicaban sobre el mar. Divisé una cumbiamba que al sonar de tambores sobre el agua giraban las parejas de estrellas.
Okay, so now the horses are vaccinated and we're gonna go get the milk cows and then end the day.
Parecían la cumbiamba y de pronto surgió una reina esperada. Era Marta la reina que mi mente soñaba. A sus pies vi la luna, las estrellas, las aguas y un himno de fiesta. Las palmeras cantaban. Era Marta la reina que mi mente soñaba. Carrusel de colores.
Julio, será moto.
Vamos, este video se va para Portugal.
Se va a Portugal.